Rami here. Tonight, let's talk about Christ Self-Care 101. You already know about health and nutrition for the body, but what about Christ? What does it need in terms of maintenance? It is the primary operating system of the body now. It is you. What do you need as Christ? The first thing that you have needed is nurturing and support. You were nurtured for many years, mainly by spiritual teaching literature such as A Course in Miracles. When your soul matured and was ready to take over control from the ego, then you needed to be supported in that because you wouldn't find any support for Christ in the human world. That's certainly true. A journey into the unknown took you from the nurtured, mature soul phase to a fully emerged Christ aspect. You then developed relationships with many in the unseen world as your internship and residency. Now, you have graduated and opened your own offices, so to speak. We are continuing our support now with arrival living in the material world. This is what we are doing collectively to support ourself, the one Christ. But what can an individual aspect of Christ do to care for itself? There are several things. First, find a way, no matter how busy you may be, to simply disconnect and turn it all off. Turn off the noise, the distractions, and the insane nonsense. Do this as often as you can on a regular basis. Jesus has suggested a return to keeping some type of Sabbath, and Mother Mary has concurred. Seriously consider mini Sabbaths throughout the week because, let's face it, living in the material world is quite draining. In addition to a weekly Sabbath, mini Sabbaths, meditation, and communion time, the most crucial thing is to practice the holy instant. When you light up and join us, your light, the light of Christ, permeates through every pore of the body. This is the most important part of Christ Self-Care 101. Namaste, Rami.